I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Honda Odyssey 2019. Start by parking on level ground and engaging park with the parking brake set. Open the hood, remove engine cover if present, and identify battery location and terminals. Put on gloves and safety glasses, then disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorting. Keep memory saver if you want to preserve settings. Clear area of tools and prepare replacement battery. Next, I will walk through removal steps in a calm, steady way to keep things safe. After disconnecting negative, loosen and remove the hold-down bracket with a 10 mm socket and set bolts aside. Carefully disconnect the positive terminal and tuck wiring away to avoid contact. Inspect battery tray for corrosion and clean with baking soda solution if needed. Lift battery straight up, keeping knees bent, and place it on a protected surface away from metal. Now I will explain installation and helpful tips so the swap goes smoothly and lasts longer. Place the cleaned battery in the tray with terminals oriented as before, then secure the hold-down bracket snugly but not over-tightened. Reconnect the positive terminal first to reduce short risk, then reconnect negative. Torque terminals evenly, check for secure fit, start the engine, and verify radio and memory functions. Dispose of old battery properly at a recycling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.